Hello everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. In this video I am going to talk about applications of Le Chatelier principle. Those are the important examples are present in the applications of Le Chatelier principle. This topic is the used for the competitive exam. This some type of questions are asked in the competitive exams. Now, what is the Le Chatelier principle? Friends, in before my class, I am going to talk about Le Chatelier principle. Those are the important key points are present in the Le Chatelier principle, that is called as concentration. Concentration is increases of reactants. What happened there, friends? Equilibrium shift to the forward direction. Concentration increases of product, equilibrium shift to the backward direction. That is the first point. And pressure is increases, equilibrium shift to the lesser number of gases moles. And temperature is increases, that is the endothermic reaction. Temperature is increases, that is the favorable. And inert materials, added of inert material constant volume, this is no effect is present in equilibrium, but at constant pressure what happened there, more number of moles side, equilibrium shift. These are the important key points are present in the Le Chatelier principle. But in this video I am going to talk about favorable conditions or applications of Le Chatelier principle. This is the one of the important topic. Now my name is Suma Shankar. I am going to talk about applications of Le Chatelier principle. Start this section. See this board. Okay, friends. First question is the favorable condition for formation of NH3. Favorable condition for formation of NH3. The reaction is N2 plus 3H2 gives 2 moles of NH3. Delta H is negative. Now this is gaseous molecules are present in the. Friends, this is the question. Favorable condition for the formation of NH3. This is the reaction. This reaction is the N2 plus 3 moles of H2 to gives 2 moles of NH3. Delta H is negative. Friends, what is the favorable condition? By using these key points. First one is the favorable condition. Formation of NH3, reactants of N2 and H2 is addition. That is the first condition. Addition of N2 and H2. This is the first favorable condition, friends. Addition of N2 and H2, formation of NH3. This is the first favorable condition. Second one is the remove of NH3. What happened, friends? NH3 is removed, the equilibrium shift to the forward direction. NH3 is production is I. That is the second condition, second favorable condition. Third one is the in forward direction. What happened there? NH3 is formation. Forward direction. What happened there? Number of moles are, this reaction is 4. This reactants, and number of moles for products is 2. Reactants to products. What happened there? Lesser number of moles are present in the forward direction. The favorable condition is the pressure. High pressure is the favorable condition. What, friends? Pressure is high pressure. High pressure is favorable condition. And fourth one is the, friends, this is the exothermic present in there. Delta H is negative. What happened, friends? Delta H is negative. That reaction is the exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. What happened? The reaction. What is the favorable condition for the exothermic reactions? Friends, temperature is increases. Endothermic reaction, temperature, high temperature is favorable condition, but exothermic reaction, low temperature is favorable condition. In forward reaction, what happened there? Exothermic reaction is present in there. Now what is the favorable condition? Favorable condition is the low temperature. Friends, I am talking about the forward direction because of the formation of NH3. This is the exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction, forward direction. What is the low temperature is for? Low temperature is favorable condition. This is the one of the important example. And next example is the Friends, second question is the favorable condition for formation of SO3. The reaction is the 2SO2 plus O2 gives 2 moles of SO3. Delta H is negative. This is the question, friends. Favorable condition for the formation of SO3. 2SO2 plus O2 gives 2SO3. Delta H is negative. This is gaseous molecules are present in the, what is, friends? Gaseous molecules are present in the. Now first favorable condition is the addition of SO2 and O2 form the SO3 is favorable condition. Favorable condition is the addition of SO2 and O2. This is the one favorable condition. And second one is the remove of SO3. SO3 is removed, the forward direction is present in the equilibrium shift, therefore SO3 is formation. That is the second favorable condition. And third favorable condition, this is the 3 moles of gaseous molecules and 2 moles of gaseous molecules is products. In forward direction, what happened there? Gaseous molecules is decreases. Pressure, lesser number of moles is equilibrium shift. What happened there? The favorable condition is the high pressure. Friends, high pressure is favorable condition. High pressure is favorable condition. And fourth one is this is the exothermic reaction. Friends, what is this reaction? Is exothermic reaction. It is released to this system. What happened there? Exothermic reaction, forward direction exothermic reaction is present in there. Now the favorable condition is the low temperature is favorable condition. Friends, low temperature is favorable condition. This is clear, friends. And next question is the favorable condition for dissociation of PCl5. Friends, what is, friends, favorable condition for the dissociation of PCl5? The reaction is the PCl5 is dissociated into PCl3 plus Cl2. This is gaseous molecules and gaseous molecule. Enthalpy is positive, friends. What is, friends? Enthalpy is positive. This is the question. Favorable condition for the dissociation of PCl5. PCl5 gives PCl3 plus Cl2. This is delta H is positive. What is the favorable condition for, friends? Addition of PCl5 is one favorable condition, and remove of PCl2 and Cl2 is removed. That is the one favorable condition. But in favorable condition for temperature and pressure in this reaction, what happened there, friends? I am talking about the favorable condition for the pressure and temperature. PCl5 is the 1 mole, these are the 2 moles. Forward direction, what happened there? Number of more gaseous molecules are increases. What is, friend? Number of gaseous molecules is increases. The favorable condition is the low pressure. Lesser number of moles are present in the forward direction. The favorable condition is high pressure. But this is the number of moles is increases in product side. The favorable condition is the low pressure. Low pressure is favorable condition. And second one is this is the delta H is positive. Delta H is positive, it means forward direction. Delta H is positive means endothermic reaction. Friends, endothermic reaction, what is the favorable condition? What is favorable for? High temperature is favorable. What is, friends? High temperature is favorable. Now PCl5 is dissociated. What is the favorable condition for? In so many competitive exams, these questions are asked. Favorable condition for the dissociation of PCl5. Low pressure and high temperature is the favorable condition for the dissociation of PCl5. This is the one of the important question. And next one is this is clear, friends. Friends, next question is the favorable condition for formation of NO. The reaction is N2 plus O2 gives 2NO. This is the reaction for formation of favorable condition for the formation of N2, favorable formation of NO. This is gases and gases. Delta H is positive. What is friends? Delta H is positive. What is friends? Delta H is positive. This is the reaction. Now what is the favorable condition for this reaction? I am talking about the favorable condition for the pressure and temperature. Friends, pressure and temperature, what happened there? First one is this is the 2 moles of reactants and 2 moles of products. Friends, these are the 2 moles of gaseous molecules and 2 moles of products is gaseous molecule. Pressure is cannot affect in this reaction. Now what happened there? Delta Ng value is 0. Now what is delta Ng? Delta Ng is the gaseous molecules of products minus gaseous molecules of reactant. But in this case, in this reaction, what have products is 2 moles of gases. Pressure 0. Delta Ng is 0. Delta Ng is 0. Pressure is no effect. Pressure is no effect. Friends, in this reaction, pressure is no effect. Favorable condition is pressure is no effect in this reaction. And second one is the delta H is positive. Delta H is positive. The question is the formation of NH3. Forward direction, delta H is positive. It means endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction favorable condition is high temperature. High temperature. Okay friends, high temperature. And next one is the friends, next one is the favorable condition for formation of HI. Formation of HI, the reaction is the H2 plus I2 gives 2 moles of HI. Delta H is negative. Delta H is negative. What is the favorable conditions for formation of HI? Favorable condition is forward direction. This is 2 moles and 2 moles. What happened there? Delta Ng value is 0 friends. Delta Ng value is 0. Pressure is no effect. Pressure is no effect. This is clear friends. Because of this is 2 moles of reactant gaseous molecules and this is the 2 moles of products gaseous molecules. Delta Ng value is 0. Pressure is no effect. And second one is the delta H is negative. Friends, delta H is negative. Forward direction. Forward reaction, delta H is negative. It means the reaction is exothermic reaction. Whenever the exothermic reaction, favorable condition is the low temperature. Low temperature. This is clear friends. And next one is the one more important point is present in there. Friends, one more important point is present in there. The point is inert material. Friends, I am talking about inert material is favorable condition for formation of NH3. Favorable condition for formation of NH3. I am talking about inert material friends. The reaction is the N2 plus 3H2 gives 2 moles of NH3 friends. 2 moles of NH3, delta H is negative. Already you know that in this reaction. Now I am talking about the inert materials. Delta Ng value is 0. Delta Ng value is, it means delta Ng means number of moles of products minus number of moles of reactants. Delta Ng value is 0. Inert materials is at constant pressure is no effect, but in case delta Ng value is greater than 0, what happened there friends? Delta Ng is greater than 0. The favorable condition for the inert material is the forward reaction is favorable. This is the very important friends. Favorable for the forward reaction is favorable. Delta Ng greater than 0, forward reaction is favorable, but delta Ng less than 0, backward reaction favorable friends. Backward reaction is favorable friends. This is the very important points. Delta Ng greater than 0, backward reaction is favorable. Addition of inert material. Delta Ng greater than 0, forward reaction is favorable. This is the added of inert material. Now what is this reaction? N2 plus 3H2, 2 moles of NH3. Formation of NH3. But in this side what happened there friends? Products is 2 moles, reactants is 4 moles. what is the condition for delta then 0, delta Ng less than 0, what happened, they react. Friends, in this case delta Ng is less than 0, delta Ng is less than 0, the backward reaction is favorable. What is the favorable condition for this inert material is added this reaction? Backward reaction is favorable. Backward reaction is favorable. This is the concept of the applications of Le-Chatelier principle. These are the important questions are present in the competitive exams. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.